Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing this new watch face from this company called USA, and the name of the watch face is USA Exposed. So the watch face itself is very cool, looks very neat and clean and actually very beautiful. I really like it, and the moment I saw this watch face I downloaded it and I paid for it. It's like $1.20 or something like that. I will put the link in the description so you can check it out. So let's take a look at the aesthetics of the watch face. We've got these hours in big numbers. So we've got 12 at the top, 6, 3 and 9. In the middle we get the date, and then we get the digital time, so 11:58 right now. Then we have got this seconds dot moving around in the periphery, and then we also have 4 complications on 4 points here. So we've got AM PM here, steps, heart rate and battery percentage over here. So we also have got hour and minute hands here, and you can actually also customize all of this stuff and make it really cool and really give it your own style, and that's what we're going to take a look at now. So this is the always on display version of this watch face. You get the day and the date and time here, you get these hands and a very subtle look of the hours as well. So that's the always on display look of this watch face. Now let's go ahead and customize it and see what options we get. So if we go in customize, we get the top style, and then we have bottom style, hands, color, complications. So top style, we will go through different colors here. So we've got blue, yellow, orange, pink, gray. So let's select yellow here. Then we've got bottom style, and that changes the color of 6 and 3. So you can do all that, and let's select this one. Then we've got hands here, so we've got quite few different looks for the hands. So you can also select this one, which is unobtrusive, that do not block any part of the watch face behind them. I actually really like this one. So we'll go for color. So this is the color of the hands, and we can change that. And then we have got 4 complications. So you will have to grant permissions, and then you can select any complication from here. There are quite a few options. So let's go in app shortcut and select assistant here, and here you can add anything, and then finally we will add daily activity. Press OK, and there you go. And once again, this developer implements complications in a very clever way. You know that there are complications in 3 different places on this watch face, but they do not appear on the watch face itself, and that keeps things very clear and minimal on the watch face. So that's very colorful look of this watch face. I really like it actually. So if we tap here, this will take us to Google Assistant. If I tap here, this will take us to recent apps, and finally if I tap here, this should take us to activity, but it's not showing up anywhere right now. So that's about it guys. This is another watch face from USA. I think they're doing a great job, and I really like their watch faces. Actually, I went through their list and downloaded quite a bit of these watch faces from them, and I'll be bringing these watch faces reviews to you. I'll put the link to this watch face in the description below if you want to take a look at it. And I really also like the always on display version of this watch face. So there you go. You get the time, you get the date, and you get the hour hands as well. Very different look. I really like it. So that's about it from this video guys. I will see you in the next one.